Now we're entering the second half of Survey of Church History 2. In this half, we will encounter the modern era of the church. In Unit 4, we will examine the aftermath of the original phase of the Reformation and responses to the wars of religion and Protestant scholasticism, respectively the Age of Enlightenment and Pietism. After the destruction of the religious wars, some began to ask, in the words of Justo Gonzalez, was there not a more tolerant, more profound, and even more Christian way to serve God than simply following the dictates of orthodoxy, be it Catholic or Protestant? And thus the modern secular state began to arise, and along with it, the Age of Enlightenment, which sought answers to human questions from a universal natural religion not based on supernatural revelation, but upon reason. One of my favorite movements of the later Reformation is Pietism, born from a desire to move beyond the cold orthodoxy of Protestant scholasticism toward an active heart Christianity. Pietism, according to its original idea, was a balance between doctrinal integrity and experiential Christianity. Unfortunately, later it lost its balance and developed into liberal Christianity. But in its early stages, its trajectory influenced John Wesley and led to the Methodist revival in England, and later to revivalism and evangelicalism in America. Speaking of America, during Unit 4, we crossed the Atlantic to explore Christianity in early America. First, Catholicism in the Southwest, and then Protestantism in New England. In the final lecture of Unit 4, we study a favorite topic of my students, the First Great Awakening, and its key leaders, including Jonathan Edwards and George Whitefield. So there's your introduction to Unit 4, another packed and varied unit in our study of the Reformation and modern Christianity. I trust that your study will be informative, engaging, and beneficial. It's time to get going.